Hey everyone! Welcome to my stay at the Grand Legacy at the park. So this is where I stayed on my last Disney trip and I wanted to share it with all of you. This is what the lobby looks like when you walk in. It's really simple but super clean and welcoming. They also have little touches like this, fruit infused water, which I thought was really nice. That's how I refilled all my water bottles. Something super convenient about this is you can actually also get your Disneyland tickets here as well. So if you don't have them, I mean, they're just making everything a little easier for all of us, right? Which we love. Here's an outside view of the hotel. It's very clean, very well maintained. And I have to say the staff as well, they're just so friendly, so amazing, and extremely helpful. So in this video today, we're going to do a walkover to Disney so you can see exactly how long it actually takes you from your room to the park. So I always look for these kind of videos, so I wanted to make one as well. Alright, let's head to Disney. First thing first, let's lock those doors because safety first. Alright, let's set up the timer so we can see exactly how long it takes us from our door to the parks. Alright, let's head to Disney. One of the best things about staying here is how easy the walk is. You literally just step outside and you're on your way. So here's the grounds again, and I just love like the waterfalls that they have here on the side. Or the fountains. Wow, I said waterfall. I meant water fountains. How cute, right? And look how clean everything is. Like just so well maintained and cared for. So from the hotel, once we exit out of this parking lot area, you're just going to make a left. And then you'll pretty much get right onto Disney Way. It's super straightforward, no guessing, no stress. I mean, you can't get lost. It's like literally right there. And honestly, this walk just feels so exciting. Like you know you're minutes away from the parks and you can already feel the energy building. They're having some constructions currently going on. I believe it's still going on, so once it's done it'll probably just be even more smoother. Not that it was an issue at all. And you'll know you're going the right way when you see the Tower of Terror in the distance. That's my little okay, we're close moment. How cool, right? You get to actually see the Tower of Terror on the way there. And on the way, there's actually so much greenery, which adds a really nice touch as well. It's such a nice contrast between entering the parks and the walk over. It just kind of slows you down for a second before the busy Disney days. Everything just feels calm and peaceful. I love morning walks to Disney. I don't know, I'd rather prefer having like a hotel right next to the parks because I really do enjoy the morning walks. It's like a great start to the day. So some highlights about the hotel, they have a rooftop bar there as well, which is really nice. So if you want to unwind after a long Disney day, that's definitely where you want to go. And downstairs, there's like so many restaurants attached below, and they're open pretty late too. Honestly, almost as late as the parks, I think. So whether you're craving like some quick little pizza, boba, or even musubi, they have it. And you can literally find it right there. we're just gonna turn the corner here and just, you just keep following this crowd. Disney crowds are the only crowd I'll ever follow. Look how well maintained everything is, just so clean and neat. But be careful when you're walking that you don't fall over the little concrete benches because they camouflage so well with the cement on the bottom. Oh my god, I was so close to falling over, like I don't know how many times. I told you guys before, Goofy is my spirit animal, and like rightfully so. I'm literally that clumsy. And then you pass by this really pretty rose garden area. Oh, so pretty, look at that, roses blooming, all the little flowers on the bushes blooming. I feel like it's one of those little moments you could easily miss, like in the rush of just trying to get there, but if you take it in, take your time, it just makes the whole walk feel even more special. So we've made it to the first security point. Not too bad. And you hear the Disney music. You have officially arrived. But we're gonna keep going until we pass security check, and that'll be the end of our clock. The location of this hotel was amazing. No shuttles, no waiting, just a quick walk straight into the magic. Alright, let's get through the security points. Lines aren't too bad either. And just like that, we're at Disney. 7 minutes and 85 milliseconds? I don't know, but basically 7 minutes, guys. Overall, staying here was such a great experience, especially for how close it is to the parks. If you're planning a Disneyland trip and want something convenient, this is definitely a solid option. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this little stay, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!